Hello, is it working? It didn't even open. My MP3, you press the magnifying glass in the corner and it'll ask you to choose video from gallery. Now, you basically just choose video from gallery, I guess. And after you do that, after it shows up like one of these are just old ones. I don't really know about them. What is this? You press the 3 dots and then open with save the files, and then it'll show up like on my iPhone, and then GarageBand for iOS, GarageBand file transfer, save, replace, and then you open GarageBand. You open GarageBand, and it something like this. You have to swipe until you see, where did it go? Audio recording, and then you press voice. It'll keyboard in the top left that looks like, there's this button in the top left that looks like a broken keyboard, and then you tap it. Wire, loop-de-loop wire. You click that files. This file that you want to, you just pick it up and then drag it. Turn that off and then just listen to it. Down arrow, my songs. Down arrow. and then you hold down on the, and then you press share, and then ringtone, and then you name it. I'll be exporting as ringtone. Hurry up, you little shit. And then use sound as standard text tone. Now it is Bannock. Yeah, that's how you do it. Lol.